As the glory of Asia and the light of China, we dare to win. Sitting at the central nation, we win in Asia and go global. In Wenzhou, one of the cities with the fastest development in China, AGT creates miracles one after another here. Established in 1981, AGT has been leading the market for more than 30 years. AGT was originally founded from Wenzhou YAGUANG Pharmaceutical Valve Factory in 1981, which developed rapidly with the progress of the Chinese pharmaceutical industry. Established YAGUANG Vacuum Equipment Factory in 1988. Established Wenzhou YAGUANG Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited in 1996. And established Sino-French joint venture Wenzhou YAGUANG Science and Technology Industrial Company Limited in 2002. Shareholding reform completed in 2015, merged into ZHEJIANG YAGUANG Technology Company Limited during the past 20 years. Business scope covering the 5 continents, core employees of over 300, R&D engineers of over 50, and an annual sales volume over 0.3 billion. Though the road is long, we'll keep exploring. So far, AGT enjoys a 70% share of the high-end market for rubber stopper and aluminum cap cleaning, sterilizing and drying equipment, as well as filtering, washing and drying equipment in China. Keeping technology as precursor and R&D as core competitiveness, and closely following the development trend of the countries with developed pharmaceuticals industry in Europe, the US, etc. AGT developed China's first-generation automatic wet ultrasonic rubber stopper washer and Newt's filter dryer. It also produces drug production core equipment, such as vacuum belt dryer, single-cone pulse mixing dryer, ampule bottle external surface washer, split charging weighing, and capping machine, non-standard vessel, etc. AGT contributed to the national industry standards for pharmaceutical rubber stopper washer and pharmaceutical Newt's filter dryer. Focusing on R&D, AGT has established a province-level R&D center and has been certified as a national high-tech enterprise and ISO 9001-2000 certified, ASME U-Stamp certified, and qualified for both Class 1 and Class 2 pressure vessel manufacturing and design. It owns multiple honors, such as top 10 brands of the Chinese pharmaceutical machinery industry, meritorious enterprise in pharmaceutical industry base, etc. In the field of washing and sterilization integrated equipment, the field of API solid liquid separation and powder processing production system, and the field of Chinese herb industry. AGT is not only widely recognized by the market, but also greatly supported by the government. As the Vice Chairman member organization of China Pharmaceutical Association of Plant Engineering and a company of the National Torch Program, AGT develops into a national key new product company in participating in key national projects one by one. In the future, a strong and rising China will provide AGT with more development opportunities in wider areas. Relying on 2 R&D centers in Beijing and Wenzhou, and with provincial R&D centers as the leader, AGT is always dedicated to R&D and innovation of new products, new technologies, and new techniques, rather than focusing on short-term profits in the market. Quality and technology are our priority. Our products and corporate integrity could stand the test of time. Over the years, AGT's core competitiveness has been shown in the cooperation with our clients and partners. In June 2006, the rubber stopper washers purchased by ZHEJIANG Pharmaceutical from AGT passed EU certification. In 2008, West Pharmaceutical Services, the world's largest disposable stopper supplier, purchased the rubber stopper washers from AGT. In 2009, GSK purchased sealed rubber stopper washers and sterile docking systems from AGT. Also, AGT's Neutz filter dryer are used in the production line of many famous international and Chinese pharmaceutical companies, such as DuPont, Lonza Group, Pfizer Incorporated, and Novartis. Harbin Pharmaceutical Group, North China Pharmaceutical Group, Shandong Lukang Pharmaceutical Group, Haisun Pharmaceutical, Shenzhen Salubris, and Qilu Pharmaceutical. Meanwhile, 3,800 washers and 700 Nutske filter dryers manufactured by AGT are operating effectively and sophisticatedly every second. Every day, drug products manufactured by AGT's equipment are delivered to all parts of the world, serving for people of all colors. In each continent, machines and equipments manufactured by AGT serve for human health. With technical service as the core competitiveness, AGT machines keenly grasp the business opportunities in the global market. With quality and service as the first priority, AGT products forge ahead bravely. With the concept of the unity of man and nature, AGT provides the most sophisticated manufacturing equipment and perfect technology solutions for our clients. As the glory of Asia and the light of China, we dare to win.